I strongly believe in our democracy and I strongly believe the importance of voting. So today, I stand before you with immense pride and a deep sense of responsibility as I assume the role of the national icon for the Election Commission of India. It's a privilege that comes with a profound responsibility and a commitment to our democracy and the people of our great nation.